Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to do a spotlight on the US dollar. Now, since about the end of September, we've seen strong bullishness coming into the US dollar. So, today I want to take a look at a potential pullback on this market because we have seen a bit of weakness coming back into the market. So, I want to start here with euro dollar. As we can see here in euro dollar, it's a very strong downtrend. We even breached that level of 1.05. Now, if we'll take a look here on the weekly chart, we can see how quick and how fast that move has been. So what we've got here is overextension, meaning a great distance between where price action was trading at and the moving averages. And as we can see, we're currently looking at a pullback. So a little bit of buyers coming back into the market, but we are still overextended. We also have the momentum indicators converging to the downside. So what I'm looking for is a bit more of a pullback. I'm looking for a pullback in the context of the weekly chart. And I've got two areas here that I've marked. My preferred area for a pullback is a little bit higher. It sits around the 1.0760. We can see we had plenty of touches at that level in the past, both on the way up and on the way down. Now, since the euro has been quite weak across the board, we might not get all the way up into that red line, my level. Then I'll be looking at the next level a little bit lower around the 1.0680. We can see we had touches at that level as well. So what I'm looking for higher time frame potential trading opportunities is for a bit more of release of this very strong selling pressure for the market to pull back in around these levels, and then for any signs that the sellers are coming back into the market. If we'll take a look here quickly on the monthly chart, we can see that this market has been stuck in a range for many weeks. We were at this range between the 1.05 and the 1.12. So the fact that we broke below that 1.05 was quite significant, but we've done that so quickly, we are due a bit of that pullback. So I am looking for potential short trading opportunities, but I need to see a bit more of that pullback happening in the context of the higher time frame. The next market that I'm looking for that pullback is Aussie dollar. Now, Aussie dollar here on the weekly chart is a similar story, a very quick push to the downside. However, here we don't really have a trend. We move from printing a higher high to printing a lower low. So once again here, I'm looking for a reaction to a level, and the level that I'm looking at is in and around the 0.66. Now, if we'll take a look here on the monthly, we can see that the monthly once again is reacting to the low level. So unlike euro dollar, we haven't broke the range, but we can see that level, that 0.64, we reacted to that area again, and currently it's a higher low. So I'm looking for a bit of a pullback, once again, release this very strong selling pressure. And in this case, we can see on the daily chart, it's going to be once again a deeper pullback. Now, what we do have here on this daily chart is two precise touches at this 0.6550. So for short-term trading opportunities in the direction of the pullback, I'll be looking for compressions of price underneath this level and a potential break, keeping in mind that this is a counter higher time frame move, and I'll be looking to be out before we come close to this level of 0.66. Lastly, I want to take a look at dollar sing. Now, in this case, we had a strong pullback right into that 1.35 level. Now, if we go up into the monthly chart, we can see how strong that level has been in the past. And on the monthly chart, we are still in a downtrend. We simply had a pullback into the averages. And yes, this was a bit more of a deeper pullback. We touched at 50 moving averages, but the trend on the monthly is still intact. Now, having a look here back on the weekly chart, we can see that we also have a level around the 1.34, and we're currently trading below it. So we had that strong pullback, release this selling pressure, and now we're back into an area where we could see sellers returning into the market. So drilling down into the daily chart, and we can see that after this big push that we had here, we're starting to go sideways. So what I'm looking for is another touch at this level. So this level is slightly lower than the level of support and resistance, sits in and around the 1.3370. I'd like to see some compressions of price building above that level before looking for a potential trading opportunities in the direction of the higher time frame, keeping in mind that the next strong level of support and resistance that comes from the higher time frame sits around the 1.32 area. We can see the touches that we had at that level in the past. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.